welcome to Safari Par Excellence. Today the 19th of September year 2004. You're rafting into the beautiful Batoka Gorge on the mighty Zambezi River. Folks, there's only one thing that I guarantee you. You're all going to get wet. Cha-cha! This is Chongo in his time into practice. And now we're looking at Mr. Chongo. Wow, a dump truck already there and the body surfing, eh? Woo, lucky they've made it. Well guys, here we are at rapid number 4. It is called by the name the Morning Glory or the Wake Up Call. Stay in the boat and enjoy the ride. Hey, Mr. Chongo leading the way. Wow, someone is jumping out there. Well, here we are, folks, at rapid number 5, known as Stairway 7, and if you miss out, it's going to be your highway to hell, and this is the high commercial drop anywhere in the universe. So guys, stay in the boat and enjoy the ride. Now we have Chongo in his team. We needed to unwind. I guess nothing can last forever. Folks, at the longest and most technical rapid number 7, known as the Gulliver's Travel. Stay in the boat and enjoy the ride. It's Mr. Chongo. Deep down into this beautiful Batoka Gorge, I will find rapid number 8, known as the Midnight Diner. Fishing in the microwave, 3 choices on menu. Fried for Kentucky chicken run, rather easy. Right in the middle, my microwave, that's 50-50 chances. Far left to the mighty Star Trek. She's big, she's ugly, and she's kicking. She's the way to go and enjoy the ride. Here we go with Mr. Chongo. Let's go for the number 9 at Progress 6 Rapid Unrival. She's called by the name the commercial suicide. Otherwise, enjoy the sooner. Thank you. Hello.
Hi.
Any comments so far?
I nearly died. Literally just there.
Hello.
Hello.
How's your day going?
Good.
Good, thank you. Hello. What do you want to say about your day so far?
Very good.
Very good.
If it hadn't been for the broken leg.
Thank you. The body's something there. Okay, swingers, rapid number 9. You've seen the reason why we walk around? It's because it's a very, very bad rapid, a class 6, baby. Now, we head on to our yummy, yummy lunch, baby, sweet. Okay guys, before we get to the lunch, let's look at the final piece of whitewater, rapid number 10, known as the Gnashing Jaws of Death. Stay in the boat and enjoy the ride. This is Chongo in his team.